Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox and we're gonna have a feeling of nostalgia because we're gonna unbox a full set of Skull Panda collaboration with My Little Pony. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So this is the newest release from Pop Mart, which is the Skull Panda, a collaboration with My Little Pony plush doll pendant. So if you are a fan of My Little Pony, this is for you, and I'll be happy if you're gonna comment down below who is your favorite from this lineup. Let me show you. They have six confirmed figures. This is Rarity, Rainbow Dash. I'm not sure. Rarity. Pinkie Pie, Twinkle, Sparkle, Twilight Sparkle, Fluttershy, and Applejack. And I believe they have two secrets here. One secret and one super secret. The probability of the secret is 1 over 36 and the super secret is 1 over 72. So I'm so excited because these figures look so adorable and colorful and beautiful at the same time. So let's start now. This one is still sealed, so I'm gonna remove the shrink plastic film and let me show you the boxes, all the boxes inside, the single boxes. So on the other side, you can see the My Little Pony here, the artwork of My Little Pony, which is the Twilight Sparkle, and she is the cover photo or cover character in this lineup. So let me remove all the boxes for you. So we have these six boxes, single boxes, and let me show you all the boxes that we have right now. And look, it's so colorful. If you can see, there are some reflector eyes on the font of the My Little Pony Skull Panda. On the other side, they have these 12 confirmed figures, and as I've said, six confirmed figures, and as I've said, they have these two secret and one super secret. So if I'm gonna get or I'm gonna check who's the pretty ladies here, that will be my favorites. Will be I like the Applejack because I believe Applejack can match with any outfit that you have. And I like Rarity as well. Twilight Sparkle is so cute. I believe girls will gonna love this collection. So I'm so excited to share to all my ladies subscribers right now. And if you're still not my subscriber, guys, please do subscribe right now so that you will be notified also if I have new and upcoming vlog. So let's see if we're gonna able to secure a secret from this lineup. Let's see our first figure. Oh, oops! I thought it's almost, you know, a spoiler. So this is the Forbidden Snack. And surprisingly, I really love the packaging of the new Skull Panda My Little Pony collaboration. It's so colorful, looks really premium. The plastic is so soft, and the ribbon, it's a black ribbon, silk ribbon, guys. And it's so cute. They really did a very good job in the packaging of Skull Panda. I guess the figure itself will be beautiful and worth the money. So let's see who is our first character from this lineup. One, two, three. Oh! Is this Rarity? Rarity? So let's see. Okay, the art card. Yeah, we got Rarity, the first one, the white with the purple mane. And let me show you. It still have a plastic for a protection. Let me let me remove the pendant ring. And look, guys, How beautiful the hair. It's a purple and it's such a pearlescent finish. And the ear balls of the Rarity has this. I guess these are the helmet balls. Have this silver stitching on the side, and this fur is so soft as a. I'm not sure if this is the tail of the pony. Oh, there's some hair net for the hair. And look, the mane of Rarity is so soft. There's some highlights of, I guess that's a platinum color with this purple hair, and it's quite wavy or curly. This one is so soft actually, guys. I can say that this one is one of the best. I really like the pearlescent finish of the horns of the unicorn, and the pendant ring is a matte white. And there's some, like, I don't know if these are diamond stitching on the head of Skull Panda. But yes, I can say that this figure is actually very very nice, and it has a good quality. And even the ears has this satin finish, silver satin, and this one is so soft. Wow, they really did a very good job with this one. And there's some purple ribbon here or sash. So guys, what can you say about this Rarity of Skull Panda? If you like this one, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box. And we got Rarity as our first character. So let's see if we're able to see and the other figures are beautiful as Rarity. Let's see. If you are a fan of um, My Little Pony, guys, you will definitely love this, and I believe you will have the feeling of nostalgia because, you know, let's see our second figure. It will remind your childhood, by the way. Our second figure, I almost see the spoiler. I really love the packaging, guys. I can say that all Pop Mart items should have like this. Our second figure, one, two, three. Oh, what we have? I guess this is Twilight Sparkle, another purple one. Okay, let me show you the art card first. And yeah, we got Twilight Sparkle. Look, I really like the art card. It has this reflectorized finish. And let me show you now the figure itself. And let me remove the hairnet. This one is so cool. I guess girls will really love this. And the synthetic hair is so soft. The main tail. Look, it has this bubblegum pink to purple to, I'm not sure if this is violet or, yeah, it really matches the color of Rarity. And I just noticed now that the eyes of Rarity, I no, the eyes of Twilight Sparkle is two different color. Like the other one's pink and the other one's purple, and you can twitch the eyes like this. And if you can see, the hair has this, you know, very shimmery, and there's some highlights of pink matches with the hair at the back or the mane. This one is so cool. And the balls has this design of, I guess this is the stars, silver star stitching. Here is pink. I really like the design of this one. I like the scarf on the neck. It's a, you know, it's purple and black and with the silver stitching on the side. This one is so cute as well. Very beautiful. And I really love the hair. Surprisingly, they have this kind of synthetic hair at the back. Like, I guess some girls will really style this hair in a different style that they like. Very cool. I actually like this one as well. So, what can you say about Twilight Sparkle, guys? Ah, this one is so cute and beautiful. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our third box, and Sparkle just dropped. Let me fix it first. So our third figure, let me unbox this one now at the bottom part because I want to keep the box still in a good condition so that I can still keep them or sell them to whoever want to buy these figures. Oops. I I almost see the spoiler again. So our third figure now. Oh, this one's so tight. One, two, three. Oh, oh. Oh my god. We got another secret. Is this a secret? Wait. Oh my goodness. Yes. Sunset Shimmer. Yeah. Guys, we get the secret one. Oh no, Sunset Shimmer. She's not here. Wow. What a cool surprise. Wow. I'm so happy and lucky again. And she's so beautiful. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, Sunset Shimmer is not here. Guys, it's Sunset Shimmer and the pendant ring is the same with the secret one. Oh my goodness, look. Oh no. Oh my god. What? Oh no. The hair is so beautiful. It has this purple orange color. Wow. And the scarf, guys. My goodness. With this leather strap. With this golden buckle. And the scarf. I'm not sure if this is the scarf. It's like, what kind of animal is that? It's jaguar skin. And I like the color combination of this one. The black helmet ball is so cute. I like the color combination. Awesome. And this, oh no, the toe or the maybe this is the toe or the bottom part of the feet of Skull Panda has this. It's kind of leather, guys. Reflectorized leather with some stitching on the feet. Wow. Skull Panda. It's so nice. Very beautiful. And look, the eyes. You can still twitch the eyes. Yeah. But guys, look. It's so beautiful, the face. Wow. And the art card is so different from the regular art card. Wow. We got another secret. What can you say about the Sunset Humor, guys? Wow, I love this one. Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next box. Why Sparkle is keep falling down? Twilight Sparkle keeps falling down. I don't know why. So guys, let me give you a recap. We got the Twilight Sparkle, the Rarity, and the Secret. So I don't know which one's gonna miss. Oh no. Are we able to get two secrets from each set, guys? Is that possible? What do you think? Is there a possibility that we might get a two secret in one set and Sparkle just dropped again? I don't know why. Maybe because of the hair at the back. It's not balancing the stand of Sparkle. So these are fourth figure actually. Let me keep the art card first. I don't want to see any spoiler yet. Our fourth figure or character from My Little Pony Skull Panda will be one, two, three. Oh, the rainbow one. Who is this? Let me check the art card. Oh, the Rainbow Dash. Yeah, very nice art card. Okay, let me remove this one. The pendant ring is baby blue, and the hair has this colorful rainbow hair. It's blue with these highlights of yellow and pink, I guess. Yeah, and the scarf is quite leathery, guys. Like you can. Oh, are we able to? Because it's kind of adjusting like this. And it's actually not too rainbow for me, guys, huh? But maybe the hair has this rainbow hair, and it's so pearlescent finish. It's so shimmery, and I really like the ears of each skull panda. Okay, so maybe the sparkle has different ears finish. This one is like a reflectorized leather, just same with the scarf. And you can see the lighting or lightning design on the chest or tummy of Skull Panda here. This one is so cute as well. I really like the design on the feet of Skull Panda with this such design, and the bottom part is pearlescent finish as well. This is the back part. This one is so cute. The blue one is very very cute and adorable as well. Wow. It's not too colorful, by the way, guys. It has just you know, the rainbow highlights on the hair, on the feet, and on the other side of the helmet ball of Skull Panda. So, what can you say about the rainbow dash of Skull Panda, guys? You like this as well? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second to the last. Oh no, you wanna run, Sparkle? So we are missing Fluttershy, Applejack, and Pinkie Pie. Okay. I just hope to get Fluttershy, guys, because this one is so cute. I want to get this too. It's okay if I won't get Pinkie Pie. So let's see. Let's see our fifth figure. Oh, why they keep dropping and falling? Maybe because of the hair on the back. Oh, so I don't know how can I stand them properly now. Yeah, just like that. And our fifth figure, let's see. I don't want to see any spoiler yet. Let me remove the packaging. I just hope to get Fluttershy. Let's see if this will be Fluttershy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Pinkie Pie! We got Pinkie Pie. It's so pink. It's like bubblegum pink, but I like the heart design that she's holding. The dress is so cute. Yeah, it's a dress. Look, it's a dress of Pinkie Pie. Yeah, this one is cute. Very girly. Definitely my girlfriends will gonna love this. Let me remove this hairnet so that we can see the bubblegum pink curly hair of Pinkie Pie. This one is so cute. And what the good thing about the eyes, it's contrasting the color pink. It's quite gray blue. And I just noticed the hair has this hair clip, the ribbon, some hair clip, and on the helmet balls have this white pink design, and on the other side is quite curly, curly finish with this stitching. It's actually cute and nice, and this one is so beautiful. And she has these two different socks. Like I'm not sure if this is socks, guys, but she has this white and pink socks. Yeah, cute and beautiful. And at the back of the head or helmet has this. I'm not sure if this is like a Christmas lights or balloon stitching. Very nice and very cool. They are so beautiful. Actually, let me show you the art card. So we got Pinkie Pie, guys. This one is so nice. Definitely girls will love this. Very girly. So what can you say about Pinkie Pie, guys? Please comment down below. And we are down to our last box, and we are missing Fluttershy or Applejack, the two that I really want. But surprisingly, Pinkie Pie is so beautiful. So who will be gonna miss with these two? Are we gonna get Fluttershy or Applejack? What do you think, guys? If you reach this video, you will definitely love or enjoying this vlog. So please like and share this one and be my subscriber, guys, and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And let's proceed now with our last box. And let's see who will be our final figure. Hmm, I like this both missing figure, guys. So either of these two. So let's see who will be our final figure. Oops, I almost destroyed the box. Okay, so let's see. No spoiler yet. Okay, our final figure. Uh-oh. The moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Fluttershy! Wow, that's why it's nice. It's so nice and beautiful. It's soft pink. It's rose pink. It has these yellow balls, yellow arms and feet. That's why this one is so chaste. The shimmery finish of the hair with some butterfly clips. The eyes has this, the pupil is a quite, yeah, it's a butterfly pupils. Look, it's so beautiful. Has this butterfly design, and the finish of the fabric is so soft. And it has this butterfly stitching at the back, 3 butterflies. Wow, let me remove the hairnet and let me show you how soft and beautiful this one. And I just noticed it has this pink rubber band as well, like this. Wow, it has this quite bubblegum, like light bubblegum pink color. I really like the combination of this one. Girls will gonna love this. And I just noticed on the tummy of Fluttershy has this golden rose gold butterfly stitching with these diamonds. And on the socks has this design of, it's quite, I'm not sure if this is white or light yellow with this orange and green stripes. Wow. Very cool, very beautiful. Oh, let me show you the art card. Our final figure, guys, it's Fluttershy. What can you say about Fluttershy? She is so beautiful. Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. It's Skull Panda, a collaboration with My Little Pony. Surprisingly, they are also beautiful, adorable. They are so cute at the same time. But surprisingly, we got another secret, and which is Sunset Shimmer. I like them all actually, guys, but it's the ones that stands out to me is of course the secret. If you can see, she has only these strong bold colors, and the others are so light. But I like also Fluttershy also, and Rarity and Sparkle. These four stands out to me so well. But of course, the other two are so beautiful as well, which is the Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie. But then again, these are my favorites, these four. But if you have other favorite, guys, you are free to comment down below which one is your favorites here, which one is your bias. You are free to comment down. And if you had fun watching this vlog, I hope you do. Please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!